I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you. And please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, we've got the article before the gap, we've got the noun to which that article refers after the gap, which means that we need an adjective in this gap. What's the adjective of the stem word? Dramatic. Question number 2, we've got an adverb before the gap. Very. Adverbs modify both adjectives and verbs. In this particular case, looking at the language pattern, what we need here is an adjective, which is why the answer is powerful. For question number 3, the sentence says, these people are given what for making sure? Couple of clues here. You are given something. In other words, you are given plus noun. And after the gap, you've got one of these prepositions that suggests that you need a noun before that preposition. Particularly with these word formation exercises, if you see a gap before for or of, chances are it's going to be a noun. That's exactly what we need here. And the noun that we need is responsibility. For question number 4, if we have a look at the context, it's clear here that we need in this gap not just a noun, but a personal noun. In other words, we need to talk about people. So this is either going to be newspaper editor or editors, singular or plural. Well, the clue comes in the second word which follows the gap. In a slightly strange sentence structure, it says newspaper who they want to support them. And it's they is the key word here because they refers to plural, and in this case it refers to editors, which is why editors is your answer. Question number 5, we've got an article before the gap, but we don't have the noun to which the article refers. Also after the gap, we've got one of these keywords of, where we have a gap before the preposition of. Chances are you're going to need a noun. What's the noun that we need here? Freedom. For question number 6, after the gap, we've got a noun, a plural noun, soundbite. We've got the gap before that plural noun, which suggests what we need here is an adjective. And this is confirmed when we look at the language pattern. It says, advisors also have the task of writing adjective soundbites. So if we have a look at the stem word, we can see that the stem word is memory. The adjective for memory is memorable. Question number 7, easy peasy. We've got an adjective before the gap. Before the adjective, we've got an article, the indefinite article a, which means that not only do we need a noun, we need a singular noun, which is why the answer is variety. Question number 8. Before the gap, we've got 2 verbs. It's important to speak and to write how. In other words, this is going to be an adverb. If we have a look at the stem word, we've got imagine. The adverbial form of imagine is imaginatively.